Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a website to your Chrome bookmark bar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the website you want to bookmark. This could be any site you visit frequently and want quick access to, whether it's a news site, a work tool, or your favorite blog. Now look at the left side of the address bar at the top of your screen. You'll notice a star icon sitting right there next to your URL. Go ahead and click on this star icon. This is Chrome's built-in bookmark feature that lets you save any page you're currently viewing. After clicking the star, a small pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can customize how your bookmark is saved. First, you'll see a text field where you can input a name for the website. This is helpful because it lets you create a shorter, more recognizable label instead of using the full website title. For example, if you're bookmarking YouTube, you might just name it YouTube instead of the longer default title. Next, look for the drop-down menu labeled Folder. Click on this drop-down and select Bookmark Bar from the list of options. This step is important because it ensures your bookmark appears directly on the visible bookmark bar below your address bar, giving you one-click access whenever you need it. Once you've selected Bookmark Bar, the website will be automatically added there, and you'll see it appear right away. Now, let me show you the second method to add a website to your bookmark bar. This approach is useful if you want to bookmark a site without visiting it first, or if you prefer using Chrome's Bookmark Manager for better organization. On the top right corner of your Chrome window, click the three vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu with various settings and tools. Hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. A side menu will appear with several bookmark-related options. From this side menu, click on Open Bookmarks Manager. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view, organize, and manage all your saved bookmarks in one place. It's a powerful tool for keeping your bookmarks tidy and accessible. Once you're in the Bookmarks Manager, look at the upper right corner of the page. You'll see another three-dot menu icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add New Bookmark. This opens a form where you can manually create a bookmark entry. In the form that pops up, you'll need to input two things. First, enter a name for the bookmark in the name field. Then, paste or type the full URL of the website you want to bookmark in the URL field. Make sure the URL is complete and correct, starting with https://. After filling in both fields, click the Save button, and your new bookmark will be added to your bookmark bar instantly. And that's it. You now know two different methods to add websites to your Chrome bookmark bar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.